Hi, this is Kunal from Unico Solution. In this video, we're going to cover the update operation using the Informatica Cloud Magento Connector. So let's log in into our Informatica Cloud to establish the new task, which will be the update Magento products task. Let's also log in into the Magento application using our admin account so that we can select the products that we want to update. And once we have completed the operation, we can see the products changed. So let's look at the product. So this update operation is also going to happen through our CSV file. So that's going to be the input file. So over here, let's look at the test data that we have already created. So there are two products that we're going to update, our product number 68 and 69. So let's look at these products in Magento once again. So that's thread and apple tree. So we're going to update the name and the price for these products. So in the CSV file, we can actually go check these products and update things that we want. So let's make apple tree, change it to a mango tree. And instead of a thread, we're going to call it, say, needle. Let's update their prices as well. So name is done, price, we'll update the price. But at the same time, let's update a few more fields, such as, say, the titles and description. So let's copy them over onto those columns as well. Let's update the title with the same names, which is the needle and the mango tree. So once we have updated all these fields, we'll have to save the CSV file. And then back into the Informatica Cloud, we'll start defining the task to update these products. Right. So once we have saved the file, let's go back into the Informatica Cloud now to start defining the new task. As we know, when we start creating a task, it's a type ahead field. So let's again give it a completely unique name, which is going to be the update operation on the products table. So similarly, the description is going to be something similar where we're going to perform an update operation on the products table in Magento using the CSV file. And in the task operation, in the drop down, we'll have all these operations. So let's select update in there. And let's move on to selecting the source. So source is a flat CSV file. So the connection is something that we've already created, which is our Magento flat file connection. So let's select that from the drop down of connections that we already have. Our source type is single, and let's select our source object as well. Let's select the correct connector, the flat file connector for Magento. And let's select the source object, which is going to be the CSV file that we had just updated with the product names and price. So let's select the right CSV file. Yes, we have these things. We see the preview of the products. Now let's select the target. The target is going to be the demo connector that we created in the connector video, the connection video. Let's select the demo connection, and the target is going to be the products table. So products table is going to load all the products that's already there. So the preview is going to take some time to generate because it's going to get all the products from the Magento data. And then once done, we are going to go into the data filtering to define if we want to set up any filters. So there we see the preview of all the data from the products table. Let's see if we want to create any filters. For demo purposes, we are not changing any of the filters. So let's move on to the field mapping. In field mapping, you will see all the columns that map between the CSV file and the products table in Magento. So if any changes are needed, we'll kind of do it over here. Let's move on to scheduling it. So either we're going to just run it on a schedule or on just on demand, we're going to execute it. So let's save and run. So this will save the task and start executing it as well. So we'll be back onto our activity monitor screen where we will look at once it's completed, we will see the end time as well as the number of records that are there. So that there should be 2 records because we're updating 2 products. The number of records should be 2. And once we can come back and verify that these products have been updated in Magento as well. So let's go and refresh the task in the Informatica Cloud. So to see if it's completed. And we see that the success status to be success and 2 rows are updated. So now if we go back into a Magento and we refresh the Magento application for the products, we should see the products updated, their names to be updated and the price to be updated as well. So let's verify that. So if we refresh our products catalog, Instead of apple tree, we should have mango tree that's there, and 68 instead of a thread is now needle. And you can see the price is updated as well to be 160 and $1. So we can see that the update operation was successful. We can look at the details of the properties for the task that we had defined, source connect and the target connector, any filters and scheduling. So we can come here and update it and execute run this task once again. Thank you.